Eto guys, this is it. This is the first try. Tingnan muna natin dito. Balat, still crispy. Naman ha. Bellychon, isa sa mga pinaka-paborito kong kinakain guys is of course lechon. What more if you're gonna choose the most tender part ng lechon, which is the belly. Sobrang mag-enjoy ka guys. Nano babaw ka balen? Kumusta kayo? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Alta, Claro, which is in Angeles City. And we were invited for the third time, I guess. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Esting's Bellychon. Pasrali.
So, tama na ba na naman? Atabad na lang ako.
Kamusta kayo po, sir?
Okay mo.
Sir Rolly has been my friend since 2016. 2015?
Oo. Bahay-bahay pa mag-vlog kang to.
Nano nga tatandaan mo, sir, yung bagong pisa? What are the struggles mo yan?
Ay, talaga. Mumuna magpakilala ka pa talaga kanita. Kaya para tapadita ko lights.
Totoo. Chuta mo kanita itang keng Robinson. Iba't Mika Dolores San Fernando ka na
San Fernando. Kaya ba, sunod-sunod lang kanita.
Ngayon ni sir, pila na lang kay?
Insisting tayo ni Chunakin 30 branches nationwide.
So all the way from
Ilocos to Cagayan de Oro.
For sure. And nakita nyo na to, Esting's Bellychon.
Yeah.
Let's go! Itong nasa table natin is called your Valentine promo.
Yes, Valentine promo namin is the promo 1. Kasama na yung 1 kilo bellychon, binagoong chon, food tray, and also medium size na pansit bilao.
So this is good for...
Estimate lang natin, 12 to 15 persons.
Yes. Isang table naman to, you call it...
The special Valentine promo.
What do we have on our table, sir? Ano po yung included?
Menu 1, included na yung bellychon natin, pinakbetchon, kare-kare-chon, the pansit-chon, and the all-time favorite, the sinigang-chon.
So included pala doon, meron tayong
6 rice,
6 rice and then drinks.
That
That is only for
1,199.
Thank you so much, Esting's Bellychon, for inviting us. Napaka-generous mo, Sir Rolly. This is it. This is the first try. Tingnan muna natin dito. Wow, crispy. So, syempre, para meron tayong carbs, yung base natin is yung pansit natin. Fully loaded. From top to bottom, fully loaded, guys. Hindi natin pahuhuli yung kanilang binagoongan chon. Ang saya ko naman kasi parang kailan lang nag-crave ako ng lechon. Sabi ko sa wife ko, bili tayong lechon. Wish granted. Yaman ha. So yung meat natin is super tender na. As in almost melts in your mouth. Interested ako dun sa kanilang baka. So this is off their menu. Ayan. So this can be ordered separately. So let me get this one. Whoa. Kalambot na, sir. Notice, kahit malalaki yung fiber natin, hindi siya parang, sa sobrang lambot niya guys, hindi siya nakakatinga.
Paano niluto namin yung bellychon?
This is kare-kare. Ang sarap. Mainit pa. Appetite like me, siguro good for 2. Yung normal average person, good for 3. Siguro. Very creamy. Sarap. Buttery. Para sa akin, good enough na yung saltiness niya. One more. Gusto ko siya. And look at this. Talong, ayan. So far, we've tried few of their dishes. Number 1 comment ko talaga, guys. It's tender and still juicy. Ito yung suka natin, guys. And this one, Bellychon. This is the original Bellychon. Grabe talaga, sir. Kalambot, ha? No joke. Super. No joke. Sobrang lambot. Sir, question. From Luzon to Mindanao na tayo. Yung sisig ba natin may ano? May itlog?
Wala. 100% sisig Kapampangan.
What? Tatak Kapampangan. Ayan. Okay, now for this time, medyo mag-cheat tayo dahil kukuha tayo ng kanin. 100 pesos each. Ito yung sisig na hindi siya oily. For this vlog, syempre we're still gonna try everything off camera with Sir Rolly. Ako favorite ko sa mga base soup. Number 1, Kapampangan, bulang lang. All time favorite. Number 2, sinigang. Dahil mahilig din po ako sa mga maaasim. Oh. Today is
Cheat day.
Lechon cheat day. Lechon day. Sir Rolly, thank you. Good job. Sabi mo, sir, Luzon, Visayas na tayo. Ibig sabihin nun, we are welcoming franchise.
Yes. Message us on our Facebook page, Esting Bellychon, or email us at estingsbellychon2014@gmail.com.
Thank you, Sir Rolly.
Thank you.